Hi everyone, this is Anti with Compass. Welcome to another listing I have here in Milptas. It's only around 3 years of age. It's move-in ready, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,449 square feet. It's built by DR Horton builder.
Located at the southern tip of San Francisco Bay, the city of Milptas is a progressive community that is an integral part of the high-tech Silicon Valley. With a very diverse resident population of 70,817, Milptas features quality schools, conveniently located neighborhood parks, and shopping centers.
Let me quickly show you inside the home. Welcome home.
This 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhome style condo is located in the contemporary community at Center Point. This home features a 1,449 square feet living space, stainless steel appliances with an extensive center island, inside laundry unit, open floor plan with a lot of natural lights. For those of you who love to cook, this home has a 4-burner gas stove. Hardwood flooring in the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. Spacious balcony that accessible from the kitchen and master bedroom.
And I will look forward to see you soon in my next open house. Thank you.